In the first week of a new semester, a student contacted me and was really surprised at how quickly I responded to her message. She told me she normally has to wait 2 to 3 days to get a response from an instructor. Quick and efficient communication is so important, and so many teachers find it hard to manage their inbox of student inquiries. There must be a better way.
Even if you already have a pre-established Microsoft team for your class, you can still chat with one or more students outside of your established team by selecting the chat button to the top left corner of Teams. I'll select that button, and then I'll select the new chat button at the top of the chat window. Now all I need to do is enter the names of students that I want to connect with. I'll input my message in the box that says type a new message. This is a fast and easy way for the instructor to connect with students, but also for students to connect with students, and for the instructor to connect students together, as I've done here. Maybe I want to leave these two to get their work done, so I might decide to select the View and Add Participants button at the top right, and then leave the conversation by selecting Leave. Or I might add more people if I want to expand the group. Just like in a team channel, each chat has its own Files tab, where I might upload some files if I want students to use those files in order to get their work done. One of the coolest parts about a Teams chat is that if I ever feel a student doesn't understand what I'm typing, everyone in this chat can be face-to-face if I select the video call button at the top right corner of the screen. Or I might decide to do the audio call button if I just want the audio, or I might decide to share my screen if I need to demonstrate something. Chatting in Teams is a great way to be responsive to students, and it's just as easy as sending a text.